zijn geloof ik een HAVO 2 klas. We hebben al een paar les gehad, dus we zitten midden in het jaar. En het wordt een Engelse les over de comparative superlative. Good morning class.
Good morning.
Is everyone prepared for today?
Ik heb mijn spullen niet mee.
You didn't bring your stuff. Okay. You can pair up with Patricia. If you would please mind that you are going to pay attention.
Can we pair up?
No, because she didn't bring her laptop and stuff. So you cannot pair up because you both are prepared.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
We are going to talk about the comparative and the superlative today. As you can see here, good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. This is a quote from a saint. Can someone tell what it means? And what is it? Why is it important to this subject? Yeah, you can try.
Goed, beter, beste. Dat je altijd door moet gaan tot je goed beter is en je beste nog beter.
Yeah, that's kind of it. And why is it important for the superlative and the comparative? Yeah, Anko?
They use good, better, and best, and that's an example of a comparative and a superlative. Superlative.
Yes, very good. Okay. The superlative and the comparative means de vergrotende en de overtreffende trap. So we know it as goed, beter, beste. And in English it's, can someone tell me?
Good, better, best.
Very good. Some examples for the Dutch. It would be dom, dommer, domste. Slim, slimmer, slimste, as in very clever. Oranje, meer oranje en meest oranje. Daar verandert het woord, of tenminste het woord, er komt een woordje bij. En we gaan kijken of dat in het Engels ook zo is. In het Engels, or in English, it is smart, smarter, smartest. So you have the word smart, you put ER behind it. And if you have the most smartest person, you will have EST behind it. And so with dumb, dumber, dumbest. Can anyone else give an example of another word, maybe? Timo?
Fast, faster, fastest.
Very good. And Patricia?
Wide, wider, widest.
Very good. Okay, words ending on a vowel and a consonant. So words like big or slim, you double the consonant. So big becomes bigger. You do add the ER and the EST, but you double the consonant. So it's not only one G, but there are two G's. Two G's in bigger and biggest. Same as slim, slimmer, you double the M. So you get slimmer and slimmest with a double M. Two-syllable words. That's a difficult one, because two-syllable words, you can put ER and EST behind it, sometimes. But sometimes you add more or most. So do we do that in Dutch as well? Can you recognize it? Maybe from the first sheet I showed you.
Ja, dat doen wij ook. Bij sommige woorden.
Yeah, can you give an example?
Oranje, meer oranje en het meest oranje.
Yeah, that's very good. That was the one in the first sheet. In English, you put when the stress is on the second syllable, so it's a two-syllable word, so two claps, like polite. You do two claps, so it's two syllables, and the stress from polite is on what syllable?
Second one.
Sorry. Waar ben dan nou?
Polite.
Oh, sorry.
If you say it really slowly, it's polite.
Polite.
So the stress is on the light. So polite, it's the second syllable. Esther, can you please put your phone on? So you only put ER and EST. So it's polite, politer, politest. Timon, can you not check with the girls? Esther, can you pay attention? Patricia, pay attention, please. Yeah. When a word is ending on LE, ER, or a Y, you can you use simple, simpler, simplest, so you also add the ER and the EST, which is not very difficult because you do it with almost everything. But when the stress is on the first syllable of a two-syllable word, you use more and most. Like with the orange in Dutch, you use, like with tired, it's two syllables, but only but the stress is on the first syllable. So you use you're more tired and you're most tired. So the most tired girl in class. Three-syllable words or more than three-syllable words are words like beautiful or difficult or the long words you use, and you only do them with more and most. So you only use more difficult, most difficult, and it's the most difficult subject of English. Okay, there are a few exceptions. Exceptions. There are words that change. So in Dutch we have, for example, or in English as well, regular and irregular verbs. They change they change the sounds, right? Like with, well, if you had kunnen, ik kan, ik kon. So they change. That's irregular. And English with superlative and comparative have it too. So you get bad. Does anyone know what bad means?
Slecht.
Yeah, very good. Worse. Does anyone know what worse means?
Slechter.
And worst.
Slechtst.
Yes, very good. Far. Does anyone know what it means?
Ver.
Yeah, very good. Further.
Verder dan.
Yeah, and furthest is the verste. Yeah, very good. So is with good, better, and best, which is the little quote I had in the beginning. Little, less, and least. Does anyone know what little means here?
Weinig.
Yeah, very good, because it's not little from a small chicken little, the small chicken, but it's it's about that it's not very much, so few or not niet veel. Less is even nog minder, and least is het minste. We have another little, and that is the little from being big or small. We have little, smaller, and smallest. And with much, you gain with more and most. I do recommend to just know these by heart for your tests, because you should study them, because they will be in your test. And that was this class for today.
Oh, thank you.
Woo!